Welcome to Chrisman Garage again. Today we're working on one of my vehicles instead of somebody else's, so everything's gonna probably fall all to pieces. That's the way it normally does when I work on my own stuff. 1996 F-150, got it from an auction. As you can tell, it came from the school system. Looks like a school bus. She's Yeller. We call her Old Yeller. Anyhow, when I got it, I have no key to the door. Yeah, nothing. Can't lock it up, can't do anything there. One key to the ignition, the key switch, and the two door keys to match, so I can have one key for everything. We're gonna start by doing the ignition key, and then we're gonna do one of these keys so y'all can see how that's done. All right, fellas, let's see what we got here. We got some, that's real fancy looking. All right, door lock. Okay. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws under here. Some people can just go on and work it with that hole right there, but I'm not that talented, and we're probably gonna mess something up. Yeah, we don't need that screw. And you know, I've seen a lot of these things where people don't even put the screws back in them because they got little clips. They'll kind of stay up. You'll notice we had to pop it apart. This is the non-tilt version. You know, she just points skyward bound and that's it. Oh, there we go. You got to kind of feel around for the Felipe head there. And oh, she's getting a little loose now. These things are normally not that bad to change. I've changed a few of them. But like I said, this is my truck, so something's probably gonna break on it. Something's probably gonna go to the wrong. Something's gonna happen. Yeah, we don't need any of that. Okay, can you see up in here? You see the thing? What we're gonna do is, you've got to stick the ignition in. You've got to turn it to the on position. That's for a safety feature, so you can't get it out. And you see this, I'm gonna push this tab in, this little tab right there. Yep, it's gonna push right in. Yep, just like that. It's gonna push right. Yep, look at there. You see that, guys? Look at that. Oh yeah, see there? That's where this piece goes, up in there. So you can see how it goes. Let's compare. Well, yep. Yep. Let's turn it to the on position. See the reason you have to do the on position. See, this is locked, and then when you turn it quarter turn, see how that thing gets loose where the flop. That's how you can push it in. So we're gonna try to just go in with it. See if we can. Well, she runs, but the key don't come out. What's wrong with it? Piece of, come on. Yeah. 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 How'd I figure something was gonna go wrong? Oh, it wasn't turned all the way back. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, there was a screw back here too. The guy that was before me, I probably need to take him to lunch because he left that screw out, and it was probably aggravating to get to, I bet you, in this world. Yeah, them mechanics at the bus garages, they're good mechanics. They normally know what they're doing. Oh. But you know, we probably got this thing all boogered up. Yep, we're probably not gonna get this back up in there. She should kind of do a little clicky. Oh, there it went. Did y'all get that? Oh. Okay. Now these feed their way back up in there, but Now this, guys, this was the easy part. I'm saving the aggravating part for next. It's gonna be fun. Look at that. Done. Partially used zip tie. Let's get on this now. This is like a yeah, one of those. It takes this off. Yeah. Felipe. Just like that. And no, this truck's not for sale. This truck is like part of the family now. You see this little thing here, the little trick. Look at that. She'll fall right out when you beat on it a little bit. Sometimes you got to work these up to get the door handle off. Luckily, this is like a whole 3/4 door handle. And there's no electrical hoses to unhook. This is the bad part right here. This stuff right here is pretty bad.
It's black gooage.
So what we're gonna do? No black gooage. This is black rippage. So what we're gonna do is, since this is my truck, and I can do what I want to with my truck, we're just gonna get a nice little access hole. Yep. And you see this clip right here? Trusty Leatherman. These are custom made right here, crispin. We might try to give one of these away one day. But right now, I've got like 2 subscribers, 3 views for a month. So we'll have to wait till we get a little bit bigger before we can do that. Come on, yeah, see that clip? Pops right out, no problem. Green stands for left. Don't ask me why, it just does. Unless you're wiring up a trailer, because then green stands for right. Go figure that. It comes with a nice little gasket here. See, when you got this gasket, you don't need this gasket over here. That's the reason. Yeah, pull that right on down in there. Look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to unhook this thing. There she is right there. Look at that, guys. No idea what that keys to. Now we got the new one. See the little cable, little rod. Oh, okay. See, here's the little rod. See, it looks like a little S right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this thing right on in there because it faces that way. Just like that. We're gonna put the clip back on here. See, yellow clip, yellow truck. Old yeller. The clip should pop back in there like that. Like so. That holds this in. Anyhow, that's all you do is you just pop it in. As you can see, when you pull it in and you put this in the door, your clip comes up and you put your clip up to it and it's a little S thing and it goes and pops in just like that. So that's how it works in there if you didn't see it. As for this big hole right here, it lets the air circulate out. Pizza's done. This is the trick to putting these back in. You got to reach up in here, grab this. Yep. Stick it right through there. Make sure that's up. And kind of find its little home right there. And I think, yep. Now let's see, before we get too carried away. Don't be jealous of my handle. It's custom. And you just put this thing right in here. And you know what? If I'm not sorely mistaken, that's it. That's a wrap, fellas. I want to just thank you all for watching. Thank you all for liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. You know, I said it in a previous episode, we are going to give some things away. I'm looking forward to give some things away. I'm going to give some nice stuff away. I'm not going to give no cheesy 2-bit stuff away. This is going to be nice stuff. I mean, nice stuff. I mean, made in China from Harbor Freight. I mean, just nice stuff. If something's gone to the bad or giving trouble, bring it to Christmas Garage, because we'll probably mess it up even worse.